Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost announced a new lawsuit against body armor manufacturer ShotStop Ballistics from Stow, Ohio, for allegedly importing Chinese-produced plates and labeling them as made in Ohio and compliant with standards from the National Institute of Justice, the Department of Justice's testing arm. The lawsuit stated that the alleged actions by ShotStop, its Valmar Studios affiliate, and owner Val Ilyev violated the Consumer Sales Practices Act. Reports of the alleged scandal surfaced in May 2024 when the U.S. Department of Homeland Security warned the Akron Police Department that its SWAT officers were using counterfeit ballistic plates, according to Ohio television station WKYC. A police department spokesman said it was his understanding that ShotStop was accused of providing the fake armor. ShotStop had filed for bankruptcy about a week before the report. Yost's lawsuit stems from a cross-agency investigation regarding the allegations. In February, the DOJ charged Ilyev with smuggling the armor and selling it to consumers that included law enforcement from around 2017 to October 2023. In May 2023, U.S. Customs and Border Protection agents at a Washington port of entry stopped a Canadian-registered truck transporting over 200 ballistic body armor plates in boxes from China. The agents found the boxes pre-labeled and addressed to Valmar Studios. Test results revealed that the plates did not meet NIJ standards for Level 3 protection, which can stop 7.62mm FMJ lead core rifle ammunition. The company marketed the armor as Level 3 and 4. According to the DOJ release, Ilyev allegedly collaborated with a Chinese broker company to find cheap manufacturers to make the body armor. The DOJ said Ilyev would tell his employees to attach the false labels before selling the products. The agency noted that ShotStop's U.S. location had no means of producing the thousands of body armor plates that investigators found. Yost's lawsuit seeks restitution for consumers who purchased the defective bulletproof vests. The lawsuit noted that realizing the extent of consumer losses will require further legal discovery because of ShotStop's bankruptcy filing and the federal government's seizure of company records. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.